Quite a lot number of people that are using 1688 Chinese shopping app to source and ship products from China does not actually know about this particular information I'm about to disclose with you right here. A lot of people that use the 1688 Chinese shopping app do not really know that their information can be spied by 1688 Chinese shopping app. So if you are the type that are using 1688 Chinese shopping app to source ship products from China for a very long time, or you are new to using of 1688 Chinese shopping app to ship and source for products from China, consider to stay tuned to this video and see how 1688 Chinese shopping app are actually spy on your information and how you can actually stop them from having access to your data on 1688 Chinese shopping app. So let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer at the procurement head. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So like I said earlier, quite a lot number of people does not actually know that their information can be spied by 1688, any transaction record, password, etc. All this information here can be spied by 1688. And there are important settings you need to turn off if you don't want 1688 Chinese shopping app to have access to all those information about you, which I'm going to show you in this video. Like for instance, if you take a look at my screen right here, you notice that there is an icon on my screen right here. If I tap on the icon right here, let's check it out what is in found here. Just like what you see, the information that is pumped up on the screen right here. So if you click on start recording right here, just take a look at this information right here. 1688, we have access to all of the information that is visible on your screen or delay from your device while recording or casting. This includes information such as password, payment detail, photos, messages, and audio that you play on your devices. A lot of people does not really actually know about this, but I'm decided to make a video about it and see how you can turn off this particular spy by 1688. So what I'm going to do here is to click on cancel, and this is going to pump up. I will simply close it right here. Now, sometime when you open your 1688 Chinese shopping app, if you take a note something like this from your notification on your phone right here, and you take note of this particular information right here. So if you click on it, let's check it out. You can see the information we have right here. Okay, so if I click on cancel right here, this is going to pump up and I cancel again. If I go back right here, we still have 1688 notification information right here. If I tap on it again, this is going to pump up. Now, how you can actually block 1688 from spying your information, and I'm going to show you everything right here in this video. So follow me. The very first thing we want to do is to make sure we click on cancel and close on this particular tab right here. Now, what we want to do here is to go ahead and open up our 1688 Chinese shopping app. I'm going to simply click on here now to open my 1688 Chinese shopping app. Having opened up your 1688 Chinese shopping app, next thing you need to do is to click on this icon right here. Click on that. That's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to come to the top right here and make sure you click on this setting icon right here. Click on that, and it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to make sure you look for the AI right here. So this particular AI right here, click on that, and it's going to open up like so. Here you have this 3 button right here that is turned on. Now what you need to do right here is to turn on them off. If you don't want 1688 to have access to some of the information about your password, your payment detail, and everything you are doing on your phone. So first thing first, make sure you turn off this particular button right here. When you turn off this particular button, 1688 will not have access to some of your information again. By the time I exit from this particular section right here, and then you can see the icon has disappeared from my phone screen right here. As you can see, the icon is no longer be here again on my phone screen right here. It's that simple. So basically, this is how to stop 1688 from spying on your information on 1688 Chinese shopping app. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how to import, ship products from China using 1688 Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure Lincoln 1688, Taoba or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.